Okay, we're outside of 614 Pine Street. Beautiful apartment building in the Society Hill section of Philadelphia. We're between 6th and 7th Street. Just a couple blocks to Washington Square Park, up this way or that way. We are just a couple blocks from Center City. Rittenhouse Square is not too far from here either. Walnut Street, Chestnut Street. South Street is a couple blocks that way, where there's tons of bars, restaurants. There's so many coffee shops around. Just a fantastic little neighborhood and beautiful street. Very well known in Philadelphia. This is a brownstone with, again, a number of units inside. This is the block. Very pretty. So it looks like there's 6 units in here right now. Okay. There's a double locking front door. So this door locks. Here's your mailboxes. Zoom out. There's your mailboxes. Too close. Light is on 24/7. Again, this door automatically locks and closes, which is a great security feature. There's a peephole in this door, and there's a window here. Just keeps things very safe and nice. So again, this door also locks. And that's the initial entrance to the building. After this, if there's a unit that we're showing, which we will be, we connect that video to this one. So this is the space, beautiful building, and hope you enjoy the unit.
Hey everyone, I'm on 3rd floor. I'm about to show you unit 3F. Just showed you the inside of the outside of the unit. I'm gonna be walking in. The stair has hardwood floor. It's a nice, quiet building. As I walk in, the first thing you see when you open the door, in front of you, you have this huge deep storage space. Very nice. Deep storage space. The unit has a beautiful hardwood floor, a very high ceiling, mini split system for the heat and air. This is the living room, big size living room. In the living room, you have these 2 huge windows for a natural light. You'll be looking out to the back of the building through the window. This is what it looks like from this angle. That is the front door. In front of that front door, there is a closet space, a walk-in closet space. It is a big living area. Then I would like to show you the bedroom, the kitchen, and the bathroom. Here, as you walk past the living room, on your right hand side, you have this deep, it's very, very deep closet space. Big. You also have a light, sorry, I forgot to turn on the light. As you could see, it's huge. Up front, you see the bedroom. On my right, you have the kitchen. Here, you have a beautiful bath. Let's go to the right and see the kitchen first. The kitchen, halfway to the kitchen, you have this hardwood floor. area for a small table. It's a beautiful floor you have, and the kitchen has a lot of storage space, cabinet space. You have a refrigerator, you have a dishwasher, you have gas oven and cooktop. You have a built-in microwave. You have additional storage cabinet. You also have a new addition, washing machine, laundry machine. You have this beautiful window for the natural light. You'll be watching out to Pine Street. It is nice, beautiful kitchen. Back to the hallway. On my right, you have this amazing huge bedroom. Beautiful hardwood floor, high ceiling, two huge windows. Looking out to Pine Street. This beautiful bedroom. Here on the right, you have your closet space. Nice size closet space. It's beautiful, beautiful bedroom. Very quiet area. Tightly secured place. It's a bedroom. The last room I would like to show you is the bathroom. So you walk in, you have this beautiful tile floor, tile walls throughout. Shower, you have shower and bath combo. Very nice. You have toilet here. You have a medicine cabinet. Have sink. It's a gorgeous unit. This is one of the beautiful unit, one bedroom unit we have at 614 Pine Street. I just showed you what unit 3F looks like. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching.